Hey all, welcome to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Kathryn. It's time for another 5-minute practice exercise. Today's practice exercise is going to strengthen your concept of rhythm. So we're going to get some good rhythm practice in. It's also going to help strengthen your strumming, set you up for strumming success. So we're going to go through a sequence of rhythms. Whole note gets 4 beats. Half notes get 2 beats each. Quarter notes get 1 beat. And then eighth notes get half a beat. We're going to play the whole exercise on a C chord. If you need a reminder of how to play a C chord, it's your 3rd finger, 3rd fret of your A string. All right, we're starting with whole notes. Here we go. We're going to start nice and slow, and then we'll do it with a metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4 eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Okay, so that's the exercise. We're going through all of those rhythms, whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note. When we get to the eighth note, you will be going up and down. The other ones, you're just doing a downstroke. Now that we're warmed up, we're going to do it with our metronome. So we're going to do our metronome at 80 BPM. I'll start this. I'll give us a count off. We're going to do it 4 times in a row on a C chord. Here we go. It's a little faster. Here's our beat. 1, 2. 1, 2. Start with whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Last time and whole note. Half note, 2, 3. Quarter note, 1, 3. Eighth note, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and stop. All right, great job. All right, we're going to try one more thing, add a little challenge in there. We're going to go from C to A minor, and we're going to switch every measure or every time we switch rhythms. So we're going to start with a C on our whole note, then we'll move to A minor for half notes, back to C for quarter notes, A minor for eighth notes. I'm going to go a little bit slower. Let's try 70 BPM with our metronome to start. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3. Half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 again. And C, 2, 3, 4. Half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and quarter. 1 and 2 and 3. Last time and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. All right, how'd you do? Great job. So if you have 2 chords that you are practicing, transitioning between in a song that you're working on, this would be a great exercise. Take 5 minutes from your day. Say you're working on like an F to a G chord. First, you can try the whole exercise just on one chord. Then you can try what we just did, switching back and forth, F to G. Let me know if you try it out. Thanks for joining me for another 5-minute practice exercise, and I'll see you soon. Cheers! Ukulele wine time.